Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another UNice wig install. They sent me over a new wig, so let's get into it. This is their 24-inch pre-everything frontal wig, and it does come with this loose wave, loose curl pattern. The parting space is 13 by 4, pre-everything, and in usual UNice fashion, they also added the tapes on the side of the frontal. The back of the wig comes with a drawstring elastic band for a super snug and secure fit. And as you guys can see, the wig is already styled in a side part, and y'all know I love me a good side part. Me and side parts go together real bad. So let's go ahead and get into it. I am installing this wig right out of the box so you guys can see what it would look like if you ordered it yourself. And first thing first, first impression, I absolutely love the frontal lace. They did a really good job with plucking and prepping this wig for us. The only thing I would say is that it's a little bit big for my head, which is not an issue at all because we have this drawstring elastic band in the back. So I just went ahead and tightened that, and you can see just how snug that wig is fitting now. So getting up close so you guys can see how the lace looks. I am going to remove those tapes because I'm not going to be using them for today's install. And I'm just making sure that lace fits around my ear perfectly before I go ahead and install it with my adhesive spray. Okay guys, so now that I went ahead and installed that wig, I'm just going in with my edge band and tying down my edges with that to secure them while we get into this hair. Okay y'all, so this wig is 24 inches like I said before, but it does come with these face framing soft layers, which I absolutely love, so I won't have to do too much cutting myself when it comes to styling the hair. As you guys can see, I'm just going ahead and curling this hair up, but in today's video I am going to be showing you 3 different hairstyles and 3 different ways that you can style this wig, so just stay tuned for that. I also do want to mention, guys, this wig is 150% density, but it is pretty full for 150% density, so I really do love that as well. Also, y'all know I always say I'm a side part girly. I absolutely love me a good side part, but I'm really used to my side parts being just a little bit deeper. Like, I like my side parts to be a little bit farther on the side of my head, so I'm really trying something different with this, but I think it looks really, really good actually. So let's go ahead and get into it. Now that that is done, I'm going to go ahead and take that edge band off, and this is what the lace is looking like. It is nice and stuck. It's not going anywhere, but I will say the lace is a little bit light for my skin complexion, so I'm going to go in with a little bit of my bronzer, and I'm just going to add that onto the lace so that it blends in with my skin a little bit better. And once that's done, we're going to add a little bit of baby hair action, y'all. Not too much, just a little bit, just to give that look the extra oomph that it needs.
Shawty giving Esther, but she fed up. Searching for a king to hold it down. All this time you've been waiting your turn. They can never take what's yours. It's already written, baby, you know trip. We already know what it is. Don't rush, just be still. Gotta give it to you when it it feels. Surrender your will and just ride. Love yourself in the meantime. Never feed into the lies. You know your heart desires. Shorty giving us stuff, but she fed up. Yeah. Shorty giving us stuff. Shorty giving us stuff. Shorty giving us stuff, but she fed up. Searching for a king to hold it down. All this time you've been waiting your turn. They can never take what's yours. It's already written, baby girl, don't trip. You already know what it is. Don't rush, be still. Gotta give it to you when it feels. Shorty give it Esther. Don't you let them down days fester. Don't you let your friends feel pressure. It's their time, tell them bless up. Cause when it's yours, floodgates from heaven. I know, telling you it's coming. It's like preaching to the reverend. But somebody had to tell you. Sit back and let it settle. God pulling strings like your pedal.
Y'all, now that those baby hairs are done, I just think this looks so cute. I am going in with a little bit of my BioSilk oil just to add a little bit of hydration to that hair, get rid of any flyaways, give it a little bit of moisture. And yes, y'all, this is pretty much what this wig would look like if you style it right out of the box. Super cute. Definitely a go-to for me. I actually really like the way that they cut the layers in the front. It looks really good. So yes, y'all, so cute. But let's go ahead and get into that second style. Y'all know I'm an updo girly. I love me a good half up, half down, or a nice ponytail look. It's just my vibe. So the second look that I'm showing you guys is a half up, half down style with the front bangs out. Literally one of the easiest, quickest styles that you can do, and I just think this look is super classy, super cutesy. The only thing you really need for it is a scrunchie, ponytail holder. Go ahead and put the back into a ponytail, and this is pretty much what that second look looks like.
I need your blessings. I need your blessings. My Lord, your blessings make me feel the way. I've got one question. My Lord, my question is, are you here to stay?
Okay guys, so that was the second look. Super cute, super cute. Now let's get into the third hairstyle. So y'all, the third hairstyle is a little bit different than the other two. I am going to be straightening this hair out. I think that the soft layers that they added to this hair definitely inspired this next look, because I really want to try like the straight feathered layered look with this hair, and I also want to see how well this hair straightens after it's been curled. So we're testing it out in real time. The front part right here where I just straightened, this is how the hair already came layered. So I actually really love that. All I'm really doing is going behind the layers that they already added and adding a few more to that side as well as the other side, and then I'm just bumping the ends on those just a little bit.
Till the evening, making sure that your children are breathing. It's you I'm needing, it's you I'm needing. Grab the word, then I speak it. On the curb, you know I preach it. One in a never can never be repeated. So my will has gotta be completed, but your word, it never is defeated. So
Alright guys, so this is how the third look turned out once I finished straightening it and bumping the ends a little bit. And y'all, I think this look is super cute as well, super classy, and just a really good option to style your frontal wigs. So I went ahead and I did push that front part of the hair behind my ear a little bit. I don't know about y'all, but I don't really like a lot of hair in my face. So I think behind the ear is super cute and also very convenient. You guys can let me know down below which style you like the best, which style you prefer. I will leave the details to this wig as well as UNice Hair Company's wig website in my description box as well. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.